Hi, I have created this video for our students for Keep It Simple Social Media in order to help you search the internet to find videos that help you with your social media. So primarily I'm going to take you over to the YouTube channel for Keep It Simple Social Media, but I want to start with the three-step process. So Google's the #1 searched website in the world, and I use Google Chrome for everything when I'm searching. Now, you could just go on to Google and you could type in how to do a Facebook ad and then simply hit enter, and you would get under all different ideas for how to do a Facebook ad. Or you could click over here where it says video and you could get videos. But to take it one step better, you could add the word YouTube at the end of whatever you're searching and then hit search, and you would find YouTube videos on how to create Facebook ads. And you could go through literally hundreds of different people that are making videos on how to do Facebook ads. Now, the other thing that you can do is you could simply go onto YouTube from Google and create yourself a little YouTube channel. And in here, you could search out the very same question, how to advertise on Facebook. And you would get literally hundreds of options for choosing videos on people that are sharing how to do Facebook ads. But what I would like you to do as students of Keep It Simple Social Media is I'd like you to type in Keep It Simple Social Media, the entire words, and then hit the search bar, and you would find our Keep It Simple Social Media channel. Now, I just want to draw your attention to the channel that made it above our channel and the yellow that says ad. This is a paid ad, and they're trying to sneak in to our channel because they're paying for it. So once you find Keep It Simple Social Media, you would click on it and you would be taken
My name's Heather.
to our channel. Now, I have some analytics here because this is my channel, but you would have the banner, and you would have across the top, you would have a home tab, videos, playlist, community, and so on and so forth. And now that you are on Keep It Simple Social Media's actual YouTube channel, you could hit the little icon right here, and this is a search bar, and you could put in here Facebook ads. And so within Keep It Simple Social Media, you could search out any of the videos that we have created on how to do ads on Facebook. Now, the most recent videos that we've done are not necessarily the ones that are going to come up at the top, but you could also do something which is look in our playlist. So right here are playlists. When you're on our channel, what happens is, let me just stop the video.
Hi, my name's Heather. I'm Catherine.
It would show you our most popular videos first. Videos that have literally had hundreds of thousands of views. Those videos would come up first, then it would be popular uploads, and then it would have most recent videos that we have produced. And sometimes when you don't know how the YouTube channel works, it can be a little overwhelming, and there's a lot of videos. We have over 650 videos on our YouTube channel. So to make it as easy as possible for you to find what you're looking for, I'm going to suggest when you go to Keep It Simple Social Media's YouTube channel, you click on playlists, and this just groups all of our videos in playlists that we've created. So we have IGTV tips, updates on Facebook and Instagram, how to create a YouTube channel, and there at the very top under advertising on Facebook and Instagram, you would find the videos.
You know how people that like teach how to get customers from the internet are always
Let's
supposed to
skip
show
this
you their
ad
business
now.
cards? I don't have one.
There we go. And you would
Hi,
find the most recent videos that we have done to help you as our students with your Facebook ads. However, we have videos on literally everything you can think of. And YouTube is a very, very big platform for you to be searching for things. And so we want to make it as easy as possible for you and suggest that you look out for Keep It Simple Social Media on YouTube. And then you can simply just look at all our playlists, as well as you could look at all our videos, but that in itself can be extremely overwhelming. As you can see here, we literally have hundreds of videos for you to choose from. And our videos are here to help you get better with doing your social media. I hope this video helps you, and remember, keep it simple.